Oh, hi! Come in! I will going to show you around our room. What room is this, babe, again?
One of the suites.
Yeah, we're on the boat right now, like on the boat, so.
And it's sweet.
Yeah. Look, they have closet here and a mirror. We can put lots of stuffs here. You can show it, babe. There, see? Very nice. It's like a hotel room, babe.
Yes, it is.
I like it.
Yes. We'll check out the
I
bathroom.
have mirror here when I want to retouch, you know. On the chair. Oh, and
small fridge.
We didn't expect this. Let's open. Let's check what's inside. Ooh.
Oh, we can put our water in there. Nothing. And they have coffee mugs, but I don't see a coffee maker.
Just coffee mugs and glasses. And you have sockets.
Yeah.
Okay, so
They took your ID in exchange for the key, so we do not want to lose that key.
Yeah.
Gave us a remote for the television as we're coming in. This is some sort of service button. Interesting.
press button for service. Oh, wow.
Nice. I wonder if they
You
have room
just
service.
need to press the button if you need something.
Okay.
You can see cancel, bill, and call.
Okay. And I don't know why we would need that, but that's interesting.
And then you have extra sofa here, babe.
Yes, I like that.
And the bed. It's very nice. I like
yes.
the color, babe.
22 hours from Manila to Cebu, and we have ourselves a bed.
I like the color, babe. And you have TV also right there.
It looks like it's on a swivel. Oh, maybe? No? No, it's not. I almost
And
pulled
you
it
can
off the
put-
wall.
You can put something here, babe.
I'm really interested to know if this rocks a lot as we're going.
Let's
That'll be
find out
interesting.
later.
Yeah.
And
Some vents. This vent looks like... No, there's no temperature control here, but that's okay.
maybe there is.
You want to pull up the shade?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it pulls up.
How?
Or maybe.
It's manual, I guess. Oh, here, babe. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oops. If you want a view,
We have not left the port yet.
yeah.
So right now, we're just looking at the rest of the port. And, oh, there's a walkway there, so
Yes.
there could be like people standing out there. So we'll keep it
There's
shut.
like it. And then we have own CR.
Ah, that's nice. Our own bathroom.
Well, I'm
We haven't
taking a
yet.
bath. You can wait here, babe.
Oh, I'm
for
supposed
your
to sit
turn.
there while I have to wait for my turn.
And
Okay, go ahead.
you can
Alright.
go inside, babe. This,
Yeah, it's a
Easy,
decent
babe.
size. I mean,
I like the sink.
you step up. Oh, it's a big shower.
Oh, they have hot water, babe, for the shower.
Hey, come on in.
Yeah, look. When you- See? Oh, look! I didn't expect this, babe. They have
Oh,
hot
that's
water.
a nice shower.
You have
Hot
shower,
water.
but you
Yeah, I'm.
you're taller. Yeah, they have here, babe.
Wait. So I'm 6 feet tall and I'm ducking a little bit. This is about a 5'10" ceiling, but still works.
And look what they have here, babe.
Oh, they got soap and stuff. That's nice.
Cuddle beds.
Yeah, this will do.
And we can take shower.
Yeah, it's got hot water. That's nice.
You wanna show them? Oh, it's kind of magic. I wonder where the poop goes here, babe.
I don't know. Where does the poop go? It better not go
Because
into
it's
the ocean.
magic, babe. Look.
Oh, it's got something in the back.
Floating. Yeah,
Yeah, it's...
floating.
No, it goes out into the back.
And we have lots of... What is this?
Life vests in
Oh,
case...
for your baby.
In case this becomes a...
Okay, that
In case we start hearing Celine Dion music.
And if you get bored, they have magazine. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
magazine.
Yay! So what do you think? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy. I can sleep and not worry of, noise. Lots of people. I don't need to deal with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. Hi. We're going to the cafe. We'll have our supper. Let's go.
Oh, we're in the wrong floor.
I told you.
Yeah. Go ahead, babe.
Diyan, may snack dyan. Ayun.
Cabbage. Oh, it's too cold. Wow, you assembled it?
Mm-hmm.
Hello guys, let's go explore the boat. It's locked.
Which way do you want to go? We came from that way, I think.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
If you want to go to a restaurant,
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, let's go that way.
we've been here before.
Sulat naman. Pamanis.
Bakit?
Cafe dito. Dito lang. Dito lang.
Purple straw.
She said,
This way?
saan pwedeng kainan? Yung ano yung sabi nila may free tanghalian daw. Saan po naman kayo? Oo, dito sa number 2.
First time. First time yun.
Time to eat.
Should do a time lapse. But you'd have to stay still for like 5 minutes.
I thought you were taking pictures of me.
I'm taking a video. You want a picture?
On my phone, yes.